Yo, what's up, crypto family? We're back with another video. Today, guys, we have a requested video about the garden. It's not only going to be that, but it's what we're going to partly talk about today. So before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss another upload. So let's get into it. So first, we're going to check out the drip price, which right now I gotta switch over real quick. Alright, boom. So right now price is 28.40. Sorry, I didn't mean to say 23. Yesterday it went all the way down to 23.90, so we're seeing a pretty big bounce back. You know what I'm saying? So 28.80. Let's move over here to the faucet. I'm saying we're gonna compound this later, not gonna do it right now, but definitely by tomorrow we're gonna be at 1900 in deposits over here. As you can see, this is way over. So let's go back. Let's go to the animal farm and look at the garden. So you guys asked for it, and I'm gonna do it. Right now I have 17,723 plants. Grown. Seeds available. I have 1.79 billion. I get 1.53 billion seeds per day, so I am a couple hours over. I don't know why that's going to history. It's kind of odd. Whatever. Must have clicked something on accident, but let's go back to the animal farm. Go back to the garden. So boom, like I said, 1.53 billion seeds per day, so a bit over. 692 plants worth 8.717 LPs, or $153. Contract balance is just under 500k. Fertilizer bonus. We're gonna compound these seeds, so we're gonna be at over 18,000 plants a day. So boom, we're gonna hit compound. Let the MetaMask pop up. We're gonna go and confirm that. Boom. And then right after this, I got another thing to show you guys. I have a couple things to show you guys today, actually. So we're gonna be doing a couple of things. Boom, planting successful. So now we get a plant every 2 minutes, and we have 18,415 plants grown. So let's go to the Piggy Bank, which, as you guys know, is launching tomorrow. And I do want to give you guys a look at this. Tell me this isn't cool. This right here is the new UI that was launched, so we can look at the Piggy Bank over here. But we're gonna go back to the normal site. But starting tomorrow, first person to sign up with minimum $500. First person to sign up with $500 stake gets a $50 gift card. Like any gift card of their choice. $50 gift card. I'll go through here and show you all the gift cards that you guys could ever possibly need. And it's not only just that, like, you guys don't have to just use this just for the giveaway. You guys can use this to spend your drip or your AVAC, whatever crypto you got. As you can see, we got Apple, Amazon, whatever Ray Co-op is, Domino's, Gap, Adidas. You want sneakers? We got Adidas. You want clothes? We got that. Gap. Airbnb. You want to travel? We got Hotels.com, Airbnb, Uber, Delta. See this? Boom. We got American Airlines, Southwest, Flight Gift, Chevron, Texaco. You know what I'm saying? All that. This is probably, what is this? Oh yeah, top product. Let's go to all gift cards. You know what I'm saying? You want to eat? We got DoorDash. Got to go somewhere? Uber. As you guys can see, we have like pizza. Not just pizza, but we could travel, food, games, clothes, like care and like personal care, beauty, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Jewelry, art, whatever that is. Subway. I love me sandwiches. So definitely gonna be getting some of those. You know what I'm saying? Just go through here. We got crawfish. Oh, whatever you could think of, it's on here, guys. Like, let's go through. We got EA, Amazon, Apple, eBay, Sam's Club, Walmart, Uber Eats, Home Depot, Macy's, Lowe's, Instacart, Delta. Oh, let's load more. There's over 4,500 products here. There's over 4,500 different gift cards. We got Disney, Google Play, Razer, And Razer is actually a gaming company, so it's not like self-care or whatever. This is like for games and stuff. Southwest Airlines, Nike, Riot Games, Whole Foods, CVS, PlayStation. So you could literally fill out med orders with this. So like if you got prescription and it's like super expensive, you know what I'm saying, and you don't want to like pay cash, pay with crypto, you know what I'm saying? Roblox. I know my sister likes to play Roblox a lot. A lot of little girls and stuff like that like to play Roblox or whatever. Netflix, Chipotle, Xbox, Guess, Bed Bath & Beyond, Domino's, Marshalls, Fortnite, Fish Stuff, Nintendo, H&M. You guys get the point. So starting like when the Animal Farm starting when the Piggy Bank launches, first person to sign up with $500 minimum, 1 month stake. So it has to be at least for a month. You get a $50 gift card of your choice. So $50 gift card of your choice, and I just showed you some of the options. I'm gonna link bitrefill down below so that you guys can go check it out for yourselves. Anything after that, 1,000 and up, you get like a 10% stake back to you. A 10% stake sent back to you. So say you put $1,000, you're gonna get $100 stake sent back to you. But they have to be locked up a minimum of 2 months, so 60 days. They have to be locked up minimum 60 days to receive the stake, just so I know you're not like putting in, grabbing it, and then leaving, you know what I'm saying? Although, but let's see. It's gonna be like 8 weeks, so let's check out the time lock bonus for that. That's 23% time lock bonus. Plus, on launch, any fresh capital for the first 48 hours gets a 20% bonus. So keep that in mind. Anybody who puts in a 10,000 stake and above will obviously get 10%. And let's see, that's gonna be what, 26 weeks, 6 months, 386% bonus. That's an insane bonus, guys. That is a insane bonus. So let's move on next. Still waiting for all this, you know what I'm saying? Still waiting for the farms and pools and all that. Cannot wait. Absolutely excited for launch. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's a little later in the day though, because like I don't want it to launch while I'm in school. But you know, just want to quickly go over this little degen play that I'm doing right now. Very risky, so like I definitely don't recommend it. You know what I'm saying? Do your own research, do what you want, whatever. But I did go in ames a little. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, just like dip my toes in there a little bit. Price is this is about stable as it was yesterday. This is going down a little more. You know what I'm saying? The APYs are still pretty decent. So as you guys can see, I went in here, claim this, and then I'll put it in the boardroom. Which, as you can see, there's barely anything here. Earning some ames. I bought some nodes. Boom. As you can see, got a couple of nodes. Not gonna go too into that. Just, you know what I'm saying, just to show you guys a little degen play. Also, my sister, she does like she likes like Roblox and Minecraft, and I showed her Sandbox after I bought all the lands and stuff, and she thought it was really cool, and she likes to build on it. So I just want to show you one of the games that she built, and she put it on her TikTok. As you can see, this is her TikTok, the sandbox underscore sandbox dot K1B. So just play this. This is her building little land game. Jazzy music, you know what I'm saying? It's a parkour map. You guys can go check it out. It's a 4-path, she calls it. So yeah, so hope you guys can hear that just fine. But it's a little parkour game she built. I played it a little bit. It's the first level is not very hard. The second level is okay. The third level is kind of hard. So yeah, this is just like the first level or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I was gonna do that for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna definitely have some streams and videos of her playing Sandbox and building Sandbox stuff and like doing box edit and stuff. So stay tuned for that. gonna pause this. That's all I really wanted to talk about today, guys. You know what I'm saying? Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys have a great day. I'm pumped for the animal farm. Hope you guys are pumped for the animal farm and the piggy bank. You know what I'm saying? Garden, like I said, still paying out. Oh, almost forgot. Go compound that drip. You know what I'm saying? Drip garden. There's never a wrong time to go into the garden. Okay, guys, the garden has paid out every single day, 3% a day since launch. No hiccups. Same thing as drip. No hiccups. Nothing. Still paying out no matter what. Gonna compound this 22 drip. And we're gonna watch the numbers go up. There's never a wrong time to go into the garden. Never. It is a great system. You know what I'm saying? I feel it's a little more risky, but I feel like if you're not like into slow, well, I'm gonna call it just slow earnings, but if you want more than just 1% a day, the garden is a great choice. You get 3% a day, so you can make your money back in a month, minus like compounding and stuff. So, well, just over a month. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's a great system. You know, I love it. I hope you guys consider going into it if you're not in it already. You could earn a lot from it. As you can see, I'm earning like between like $130 to $140 a day from it. Piggy Bank, super pumped. I don't know why there's still LP in here. I guess that's just from what's gonna be left over. But like I said, again, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.